Hi, we're going to look at how to install the SSL certificate for a Namecheap site, which I have hosted on cPanel. So we can look at this email that I got from the Namecheap SSL team, and they gave actually great instructions here, very simple, and was able to figure out finally how to do this. So I start out by going and getting the CRT file, which they specify down here. You can go to the Namecheap account and open SSL certificates. So I'm going to go to Namecheap. Oopsie. I'm going to go to namecheap.com and go to account. I'm already logged in. I'm going to click on account. Down here in the left column, we have SSL certificates. And I go to the site, omarshashani.com, that I want to get the certificate for. And I did just install this. So as we go through this process, don't be confused if you are seeing something different somewhere, not necessarily here, but because mine's already installed, I'm just walking through the process again now. So I click on download. It takes a couple seconds. Went pretty fast this time, but it will download a zip file here containing my SSL certificate information. So let's just leave that there, go back to the email, and we'll see here that we have the certificate now. Now we can start on the steps in this paragraph. So install the certificate. We have to copy the whole code from the CRT file, which is contained in the zip file here. So let me open this. It's going to open the Finder, or in Windows, it's going to open your File Explorer. So click on that. It's opening. Here we go. You see I've downloaded it a bunch of times here, but it automatically unzips it, it looks like. So I got the files in this one, omarshashani.com too. So it contains 3 files. Don't know what these other 2 are, but this middle one is the money file here. We're going to use that later. Let's just leave it for now. It's down there in the Finder. So to install it, we want to go to cPanel, and we're going to go to the SSL page. And they gave this article here. We can take a look at the article on how to install it. We're not really going to need to use it that much, but you can see here they have like some old screenshot of what the cPanel dashboard used to look like, and even the name of the SSL thing is going to be different now. But so let's go to cPanel and take a look at what it actually looks like. So I have a shortcut in here in my browser. Going to log into our cPanel, and I'm just going to type in SSL up here to get it out of the apps. There's one right here, Namecheap SSL, but we're not going to use that one for this. So down here, security SSL/TLS, and on the right column here, we'll see certificates CRT. So it says generate, view, upload, or delete SSL certificates. So we're going to click on that. Go down to the site that we want to modify, so omarshashani.com. I don't know why there's 2 here, but let's just ignore the fact that there's 2. And I'm going to click on the one install. I'm going to click install in the right-hand column there. And here it's going to show my SSL certificates for the different sites I have on this server. You can go down and click on we're going to go down and go down to here. This is where the CRT file needs to be pasted in. So now we're going to go back to the Finder where we have that CRT file, and in order to get the actual code, I was not able to do it just by using whatever default the keychain that the Mac was trying to get me to use here. So I chose open with other, and I opened it with VS Code, and you can do this with it doesn't have to be VS Code. You can use, probably you can even use notes or text edit or something. But yeah, I used VS Code. If I double click here, you'll see that, it was already open. It's opening in the other one here now. So there's the certificate. Let's try it just with something open with, in case you're not using VS Code. Like another code editor should work. Text edit comes default with Mac, so we'll probably be able to do it through there too. Yeah, there it is. Oh, don't look, it's a secret. So we'll just copy that whole thing either from there, from VS Code, whatever. And go back to the site here, and we're going to just paste Control A, Control V, paste in the new one, and then click on the autofill by certificate button. It's going to autofill these keys down here. Oopsie, didn't mean to show you guys that. And then, yeah, so then we go down here and click on install, and that should be the end of the process. And after that, it should show. Yeah, that should be the end, and you should be able to navigate to your site after that and see that the certificate has been installed. So that is how you install your SSL certificate for Namecheap and cPanel.